champions, the TNT Triple G. Simulan natin talaga yung Chester. Chester, what does it take to be part and to keep up with a team who's used to winning legs and even championships?
I mean, to be honest, I love the challenge, you know, moving from team to team. But what I had before with Cavitex might not be as consistent as this. So my effort and my work ethic has to be consistent, like the success they have. And I trust the coaches. I trust Coach Ma, trust Coach Renadell, trust my teammates, and they helped me get to where I am today.
Anyone you would want to greet or thank?
First of all, I want to say free Palestine. You know, this is more of a relief than happiness for me, because it's hard to be happy when there's a lot of things going around the world right now. I want to dedicate this championship to the people of Palestine, and hopefully you get to your liberation that you all deserve. Thank you.
Thank you, Chester. Now, Ping, hindi niya usually nakakatapat yung Terra Firma sa championship and even the semis. Gaano ka iba yung laro kanina?
Unang-una, sobrang respeto namin sa kanila. I think ito yung first time nila makaabot ng finals ulit. So hindi kami nag-take advantage doon. Sineryoso namin yung game and we give respect to them. And yun, maganda yung naging laban and I think our team we did a good job para makuha ulit yung championship. Binabati ko yung asawa ko, Sergey Ximignano, yung mga anak ko, si Likisha, si Ashanti, si Sam, si Ninay, and si Buboy, and yung mom ko sa Olongapo, Mama Gina, kapatid ko si Karen, si Jenny, si Ian, and yung family ko sa States, si Nanay, si Kuya, si Mami Sally, si Mami Tina. Thank you sa pagsuporta sa inyo. I love you guys.
Thank you, Ping. Now, we have Brian. Brian, initially, you're not part of the lineup for this leg, but dahil nga na-injure si Matt, you stepped in. Talk about being ready, staying ready, and being able to deliver and win the championship again for Matt.
To be honest, pagka simula na ng conference, yung utak ko wala na, kundi nakafocus na talaga sa games namin. And kahit na off kami, nandun pa rin yung, hindi ko pa rin winawala yung isip ko sa game, just in case. And I thank the Lord, my Savior, and Jesus Christ sa pag-deliver niya sa akin dito. Actually, hindi naman ako yun eh. Si Lord talaga yun. And ako, happy ako dahil nandito mga teammates ko, kahit sino ipasok, ready sila. And kahit sino yung maglalaro, consistent pa rin yung team. Ayun. Yes, once again, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ sa pag-guide sa amin, kaming lahat. Although na-injured si Matt, I know he has a better plans para sa kanya. And I'm thankful sa kanya dahil sa faithfulness niya na binigay niya pa rin sa amin yung panalo. Kahit na minsan inconsistent kami. And gusto kong batiin pala yung family ko sa Davao, si Mama sa Petpet, and fiancé ko nandito nanonood, si Patricia. I love you so much. Si Allison, yung family pala ng fiancé ko, si Lola Perlita, mag-birthday na. Happy birthday sa Lola. And sa Quizon family, si Lolo Al, get well soon. And sa lahat ng TNT fans, thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian. Now, Almond Vosotros. Almond, wala ka ng championship last leg, but this leg, you're back in the lineup. Pero kahit sinong ipasok dito sa lineup nyo, nag-deliver, nakakakuha ng championship or even wins, kwento mo naman sa amin, paano niyo tinutulungan yung isa't isa to really improve and maging confident?
For me siguro yung start talaga sa practice kasi si Coach Mau laging nakatutok sa amin. Kung mapapansin nyo nga, sobrang palagi siya nakasigaw. Gusto niya every practice and every game nag-i-improve kami. Then yun nga, credit sa mga teammates ko kung paano sila naglalaro, ganun din sila mag-practice. As in, nakukuha namin, nagiging madali sa amin sa game.
Mga gustong pasalamatan at batiin?
Hi sa wife ko, sa daughter ko, tsaka to my son and sa family ko, sa Valenzuela, mama ko, papa ko, tsaka father and mother-in-law ko.
Alright, again, congratulations to our champions at TNT Triple Liga. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Miss Apple. Excellent work today. As always, excellent work din ang TNT. What a couple of days we've had here at the Ayala Malls and Circuit Makati. Maraming nagpakitang bago, pero pagdating ng dulo, TNT pa rin ang naghari sa lahat. Coach Borchi, malapit na November 5. Balik kayo sa aksyon.